You are here now in modern society. This year is 2025. Then I get to be romantic enough for you to go back to the time. The time of Asuka period. In the year 604, the 17th Article Constitution was established by Prince Shotoku. This Constitution, 17th Article Constitution, is the first constitution Japanese people established here in the history of Japan. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine the situation of Japan in the year 604? Prince Shotoku experienced so many processes to have central government here in Japan. Talking of the first article of the Constitution, it is very important and essential. Article 1 of 17th Article Constitution provides that harmony shall be valued. What is the meaning of that? I think you to imagine now the meaning of harmony. To be peaceful in this country, what they needed was harmony. Harmonization realized by the people shall be common philosophy all over the world. It is very nice of you to imagine the confused state of this nation. You do understand. You do understand the necessity of harmonization. If you're harmony between the two, confusion and peace in this nation, this can be applied to any of countries in the world here on earth. The lecture shall be finished now.